Hundreds of mourners bid Yetanya Francis farewell as the tears flowed freely at her funeral service.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
There was an outpouring of souls on Sunday, September 30 at the Halfway Tree Seventh-day Adventist Church on Moulins Road in St. Andrew, where hundreds gathered for the funeral service of murdered teenager Yetanya Francis. The seating capacity at the church was exceeded long before the program even got started. Many broke down in tears during the service that lasted for 1.5 hours, especially students from Kingston Technical High School, the institution that Yetanya attended before she was brutally raped and killed on the night of August 23 before her body was set ablaze. Member of Parliament for South St. Andrew, Mark Golding, read the first lesson with popular entertainer Wayne Marshall giving a tribute in song. There was another musical tribute from teachers and students of Kingston Technical, led by the school's principal, Ernest Donaldson.
All liars shall have their parts in the lake which burneth with fire and brimstone, which is the second death. Here endeth the reading of the word.
Before reading the lesson, Golding called for information to be given to the police for the wrongdoers in relation to Yetanya's death to be brought to justice. Golding said he initiated a reward for Yetanya's killers to be found, but despite the figure reaching over $500,000, the police are still not getting any information. Wayne Marshall had the church singing along with his monster hit song, Glory to God, which was lapped up by the congregation. While singing, Marshall broke down in tears and was consoled by Yetanya's mother, Latoya Riley. The artist said he too is grieving because he lost his father earlier this year. Marshall said when he saw Yetanya's story, it was like his little sister had been killed. Principal Donaldson said Yetanya was a dear student to all at Kingston Technical, where she showed a lot of potential along with discipline throughout her school life there. He singled out Yetanya's father, Lionel, as a model father. The principal said he knew Lionel more than he knew Yetanya, as Lionel was seemingly always at the institution. Pastor Errol Griffiths advised the congregation not to be angry, but instead leave revenge for Yetanya's killers to God. He asked members of the congregation to turn their lives over to God, which he said would make a difference for them. Yetanya should have been eulogized by her father, but while at the podium, having become overcome by emotions, it was his employers, Kevin Farquharson and Floyd McPherson, who read the remembrance. The funeral was the third major event that was being held for Yetanya, whose death disturbed the entire nation.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.